what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for an EBT card. So all you have to do is head over to benefitscal.com and from their webpage, just scroll down, then click on apply for benefits and start your application for benefits on the button. So here's an overview of the online application. And to start, just click on the begin button. You can see here helpful tips. So just proceed. And this is where your online application begins. And here are the details that you're going to need to provide, answer questions for your online application process. And as you can see here, once you're done with this field, you're also going to need to upload required documents and proceed by reviewing the details you entered and submit it. Then once done, all you have to do is wait for a county representative to contact you for an eligibility interview. Then once approved, you then should be able to receive your EBT card within a few days, either via mail or in person, depending on your county. And once approved, you then should receive your EBT card within a few days, either by mail or in person, depending on the county. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!